window. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Danny. Hi, Edmund. Welcome. I'm just starting the live stream now. Okay, here we go. I think that is on. So hello, traders, and welcome to today's Simple Forex Setup Show, where I will be going through 10 currency pairs, and I'll be looking at the setup on the 4-hour time frame. So let me share my screen. Go. All right. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to pop them in the chat box and I'll answer as I go along. So here we have GBP USD. Starting with that on the 4-hour time frame. It is still in a downtrend on the daily, but currently very far from where we would want to enter. So I'm not looking to enter at this stage. If I was, then the price would have to really come up back to the trend line. Then I would be looking for a short. That is not likely to happen anytime soon. So let's move on. GBP USD. Again, this one is still in a downtrend. So looking for short opportunities. If you do want to trade it short from where it is, that's fine too, but not a trade setup that I take. So I would wait for pullback, and then if there is a reversal after that, would look for short. Again, not something that's likely to happen anytime soon. Next currency pair I'm looking at is AUD USD. AUD USD on the daily is in the downtrend. It's coming down to a little bit of resistance there, which is, sorry, that's the support, which is also on the weekly there. So, yeah, there is still probably a little bit of room to go short, but not something that I'm going to look at. If I was to go short, I would need that pullback. Otherwise, just waiting for reversals later on, maybe in a week or two. Next currency pair that I'm looking at is Gbp Jpy, and I'm looking for short. So at the moment, we are in downtrend. We have plenty of room. The price action is actually just going sideways, if not a descending triangle there. So I am looking to enter this trade today, perhaps on the next bar, on it, basically tonight or tomorrow morning. I would be looking at entering with probably entry underneath the engulfing bar and stop loss above, and then that is potentially 1-to-1 before the bottom. Let me just measure that. So something like 208. Yeah, so there's at least 1-to-1 partial profit there, and then let's see where that could go. So I'll be looking at that and entering that potentially. Even, yeah, we could even do it now on the next bar. The next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro Jpy. Euro Jpy, so it has turned 2 closes below the EMA. That's the orange one is 10 EMA. So I'm definitely looking at short from here. And again, we have the price action going sideways, if not a little bit of a descending triangle there. So I'm looking to take that trade. The entry would be below that first engulfing bar and stop loss above. If I measure that kind of range, 165, So not quite one-to-one, but almost one-to-one to there. So partial profits around there, and then seeing where that goes. So again, that's maybe next couple of bars. I'll be looking to enter that. And this pair, just so you're aware, Euro JPY and GBP Jpy, highly correlated pairs. So if you are to enter either one or the other, or if you're going to enter both, just make sure you're managing your risk. So halve your risk for each if you're entering both, or manage as you know per your risk management. But just be aware that they're both highly correlated, and they would be likely to go in the same direction. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USD Jpy. Now, USD Jpy is still in an uptrend. So I'm again looking for long, but unlikely to enter. I have not entered USD Jpy for a while. I just don't have the confidence in it, even though I was looking to enter down here. It would have been a great trade, but again, yeah, if you are going to look at entering, I would look for still for long, but not something that I'll be getting into. The next currency pair is USD Cad. USD Cad, so I'm actually thinking short, even though it is still in an uptrend, but we do have this sort of range that's been going on for a little while. So I am unlikely to enter a long position. I'm more waiting for the short, even though it is still in an uptrend using the EMAs. So I have actually, I think, tried already to enter last week, which was unsuccessful. So here again, looking for, you know, the price might even go sideways for a bit. So it might just continue within that range. Otherwise, I'm looking for short opportunities from the top, or if it comes below, then looking for that retest there as well. So more looking for short on that one. Our next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro Aud. And Euro Aud, I am looking for long. So we do have that price action going up. On the 4 hourly, we have the higher highs and higher lows. So we had the low, the high, the higher low, higher high, and then we came down here, lower low. I tried to actually enter at that point there, but unsuccessful. So looking to re-enter possibly again in this area here, and looking for long if there is a reversal at that point. And next currency pair I'm looking at Euro GBP. Euro GBP I'm looking for short. We are still in that downward facing channel. So we may get price come up and test that top of the channel again, possibly, or we might get a reversal. I'm definitely looking for a short opportunity here. We have a couple of rejections already in the past around that area. Broke through there, but it was a false break. Again, false break, false break. So looking for a reversal there. Nope. Pardon me. All right, so looking for any pullback, let's say, where would that go? maybe up to this top there, or the trend line, or around there, the top of the channel, and then looking for short after that. All right. All right, sorry, I'm back. Apologies, but I'm losing my voice. All right, let's see if we can get to the end. So, Euro GBP, looking for a short opportunity there. Next and the last currency pair is Gbp Cad. And Gbp Cad is also, I'm looking for short. Okay, on the daily, we are still in a downtrend. On the 4-hourly, we had some sort of pullback, but not a really good reversal there. And at the moment, it's already too low. So I'm not looking to enter. Would wait for the price to pull back to the trend line and then look for a short. All right, that is the show for today. Sorry about my voice. Drink more water here. I do need to. Thank you very much. I will post a link to the Telegram channel if you want to see the trade setups for this week. Thank you, everyone, and I will see you next Wednesday, 12 p.m. Singapore time. Bye for now. Thank you.